How you doing? I'm Jeremy with Structural Restorations, and here we are at the Burgess Howe House down here in Kimmswick Society. They called us out to fix a foundation settlement issue for them on their historic building. It was settling down in the center. We had a structural engineer come out, evaluate the situation. He prescribed to have 7 piers put on the front of the building. He also wanted to have a galvanized product put in versus your standard material. As you can see, these are the material that we're putting in. It's a helical, 2 7/8 inch round with an 8 inch helix slide on the end of it. We started putting some in the ground. So far we're 46 or 48 foot into the ground. And that's due to basically getting to a load-bearing soil strata. We then, after we get the piers installed, we take and attach a bracket underneath the slab that carries the load from the pier to the bracket and holds the foundation from settling any further. And then afterwards we'll backfill the holes, compact them. They can do their remodeling after the fact and open the building back up. Structural Restorations was started 4 years ago. Me and my partner Chris Pate, we developed a company that could do pretty much anything structural. We got, between me and him, 20 years of structural experience, be it foundation repair or doing new work. All my guys are factory trained. We do all engineered products. We are with the BBB. We're an accredited company with them. We're on Angie's List, got an A rating. You can do Google searches and find all the reviews that we have out there. Everything that we do is an engineered product. We don't manufacture anything. We buy it all from manufactured companies. The city of Kimmswick called me in regards to some foundation issues on this building. It's a great monument for this little territory down here in Kimmswick. It's more of a museum showpiece for them to show how people used to live back in the day. They didn't want to lose it, so they gave us a call. We had an engineer come out, met with them. We came up with a plan of attack where we decided to pier it, stabilize it. They can come in and do their remediation and open it back up and show the people in town how people used to live back in the 1800s. It's a great showpiece down here. This right here is the mechanism that drives the steel into the ground. This is transferred through hydraulic lines to a foot pedal, which is controlled by a hydraulic machine, which hydraulically screws these piers into the ground. Once they get into the ground, it locks out, it stabilizes. We then take this machine out of place, go to the next pier, run them into the ground. This pier head itself weighs about 95 pounds. This right here is your footing bracket. This is what carries the load of your foundation. This bracket itself can carry 30,000 pounds. The T-pipe goes through the back. You can see it come through here. We take two bolts that come up through here. That transfers the load to the steel itself. This is 3/8 deck material. This project here is basically going to be having 7 of these installed. These are a retrofit piering bracket. These basically go in place whenever a foundation has been installed, and we are coming in and retrofitting this to the existing foundation. Project is going to take us approximately 3 days. We've got 5 guys on the job. If you should need any foundation issues, please give us a call in regards to waterproofing, piering, crack repair, any structural needs. We can fulfill that obligation for you. Our phone number is 314-846-7774, Structural Restoration Systems. Our website is srsfoundationrepair.com. You can either give me a call directly on my cell phone if you'd like to also, 314-596-8911, and I will call you directly back. Thank you.